Picture this, your remote control car zooming across the terrain, performing incredible stunts and maneuvers with precision and speed. The secret to that smooth, efficient performance often lies in tiny, often overlooked components working silently behind the scenes. We are talking about the bearings, those small but mighty parts that allow wheels, gears, and shafts to spin freely with minimal friction. But do these hardworking parts need your special attention and a fresh coat of grease? The direct answer to whether you should properly grease your remote control car bearings is generally no, not in the way you might think. Most modern remote control car bearings come pre-lubricated from the factory and are sealed to keep dirt out and lubricant in. For the vast majority of hobbyists and the lifespan of your vehicle, this factory lubrication is sufficient and designed to last. The why behind this is all about bearing design. Most remote control car bearings are what we call sealed ball bearings. These bearings contain small metal balls housed between two rings, and they are packed with a specific type of grease during manufacturing. The seals, often rubber or metal, are crucial because they protect the internal components from dust, grit, and moisture, which are the main enemies of smooth operation in an off-road or even on-road remote control environment. Adding more grease on the outside of these seals is often ineffective and can even attract more dirt, potentially harming rather than helping. However, there is a nuance to this rule. If you are disassembling a bearing for maintenance, notice a crunchy feel, or if it is an older bearing that is no longer sealed effectively, then a proper relubrication can be very beneficial. First, you will need to carefully remove the bearing shields or seals if they are designed to be removable. Then, thoroughly clean the bearing using a specialized bearing cleaner or a non-residue solvent to remove all old lubricant and debris. Once it is completely dry, apply a small amount of high-quality, lightweight bearing oil or a light grease specifically designed for remote control car bearings. Just a drop or a tiny dab is usually enough, as over-greasing can create drag. Finally, reinstall the seals or shields to protect your newly serviced bearing. Understanding the type of lubrication is key. While some industrial applications use thick grease, remote control cars benefit most from very light oils or thin greases. This is because excessive friction from heavy lubricants can slow down moving parts, drain battery power faster, and even lead to overheating in high-speed applications. Choosing a low viscosity, high-performance lubricant is a small pro tip that can make a big difference in maintaining optimal speed and efficiency for your vehicle. So, while routine greasing is largely unnecessary for sealed remote control car bearings, knowing when and how to properly service them can significantly extend their life and maintain your car's peak performance. It is about smart maintenance, understanding your equipment, and ensuring every spin is as smooth as the first. This approach keeps your remote control fun and frustration-free, letting you focus on the thrilling ride.